back to the channel. It's your girl Lola here, AE29TV. So today I have just finished doing these cushion covers. Well, they're not it's for a sofa basically, for a chair should I say. So basically I had to do the stitching, I had to create the pattern, and I had to stitch it all together. So here's the first part. This is the inside. So my friend, we're partnering up on this job again. We're gonna she's gonna be doing the rest of the upholstering on this chair. This is how it's looking. So I've just done all the pattern making and the stitching. So I'll show you the end result once she's done. So this is how it looked when I started. So basically I need to create the pattern for all the foam area. So where you see the blue foam, the green foam, the yellow foam, yeah, I need to create the pattern for that. So let's get into it. So this is me now trying to get the pattern onto the Faux leather. Oh, it took forever, guys, but you know, I think I finally did it. So I'm just adding some seam allowance to this part of the pattern. So I've now finished drawing the pattern onto the fabric. I now need to cut all the pieces out and then we can start putting it together. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, feel free to give me a big thumbs up to show your appreciation and continue watching. I've now finished cutting all the pieces out. Here they are, and I have started sewing the pieces together and it's looking good. So it's starting to take shape now, guys. Nearly done. So I haven't finished sewing yet, but you can see I've done most of it. Just wanted to do a quick fit to make sure all pieces are fitting in the right place, and it's looking good. So I've got this last piece to put on. Now I'm done. I'm now literally just trying to make sure that this fits all. As you can see, I'm just trying to squeeze it all in and trying to make sure that it's gonna go round, so that when my homegirl, Chantel's Finest, is doing her work, it is nice and easy. It's looking good. You guys can see here. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing that and then we're done. I will show you the final product. Yay, it's all done. So this is it. This is it. It looks lovely. My girl put this together nicely. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So if you haven't liked this video already, feel free to do so now. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if you have any questions, again, let us know in the comment section down below, and any links to any parts. If I find any links to where we've got the leather, you know, sewing machines and stuff, I'll definitely try and put it in the description box below. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.